In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a video into this section. As we'll go to the element section and write here videos. You can see different types of videos will be showing here. You can use them into your projects, such as we want to use this video into the section. As you can see, if we click on the specific part of take the video and to at the specific part and drop here, it will be settled in this section here. As you animate them, and you can see this will be the playback. As we playback them, you can increase or decrease the speed of your video, or autoplay in presentation, loop for forever in presentation. And if you click on the animation section, you can choose the elements into your section, and when you play this video, it will be seen here. It will be goes into the video. It's some time taking due to the internet connection. You can download this in the form of videos as you desire. And if you download these videos, when it will be downloading, you can view them as a video section, or you can also change the videos by replacing this. It's going to be downloaded. As this video is downloading here, it's some time taking due to the video animation. As it is animated, you can view them. As our downloading has been completed, so we can view them. As you can view them, this is all about the animation, and now the animation of the videos will be running here in this section. You can add many type of videos as you want to desire. According to your project, you can use them and edit them and animate your video.